nothing gets me more excited than seeing an overhanging tree just like that down on the water's edge. It's got branches coming out and leaves falling down to the surface, and immediately that tells me that's a perfect spot for a bass to seek shade in the middle of the day, and then as the afternoon sun comes over, to come out lurking for those insects, terrestrial species and bugs that fall out of the leaves. Up to 40% of a freshwater fish's diet is comprised of food coming from trees and plants just like these. Sadly, when we have a bank with little trees or no native vegetation, we see a reduction in fish populations, and it makes sense. With no coverage, the water is hot, still and murky, much like this right here, and it means the bass, which sit under those trees for coverage and for food that falls from the leaves when it's windy, have very little options. At Ozfish, we've been rallying fishers all over Australia to get out and help restore these riparian zones that are vital for our fish. Just like here in Immigrant Creek, where we planted more than 5,000 trees along both sides of the bank and reconnected a secluded wetland to the main body of water. We focused our attention on the area of the creek where the fresh and salt water meet, which is an important zone for the Australian bass, who relies on these areas to feed, breed and seek shelter. Here at Ozfish, we have the resources and the right knowledge. We just need your time and passion to help the next generation do what we all love, catch a fish. Get on board with Ozfish and get involved in projects like this in your local area to make better habitat for better fishing. Jump onto ozfish.org.au to find out how.